Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna showing that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that when you're just using the CapCut and you may facing that while the editing it's gonna freeze. So how you can resolve that? Simply just like that, as I'm going to CapCut in the front of you and just going to the editing, just going all the step. I'm gonna skip that and just like that, I'm just cross it. Just go to the edit, new projects. I'm just selecting any one video just like that. Just like that, I'm going to editing that video, and while editing I gonna freeze on that section. So how you can resolve that? So I'm gonna tell that in this video to how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone or your iPad. So just going to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. Many users facing issue because they're using the VPN during that process, so they're getting the glitches, bugs, and it is not freezing. So how you can resolve that? Just go into the general section and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection during that process, and also make sure that you just updated the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and just going to the iPhone storages, just scroll it down and just find a CapCut, just tap on that and just tap on offload app. It's on a free up storage from your app, just like that, and then wait for the second. It's offload your app, just like that. It's going to offload, so you have to just install the app from that. Just tap on that and it's going to install your CapCut app in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After doing that, just wait the 4th second. It's doing that. Just going to back. It going downloading in the background. So after doing that, just going to scroll it down and it's going to again general section and just scroll it down and it's going to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here and just type passcode and reset the network settings from here. After doing all the steps, you just have just going to the CapCut and just do the editing. If you are not gonna solve, simply just install the CapCut from the front interface and just going to again go to the App Store and download the CapCut and going to editing section and do your edits. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.